Store stores the specific value in the memory cell specified by address. Destructor overrides the previous value of the memory cell. The memory system is interfaced via memory address registers, memory data registers, and fetch store signals. Structures of memory subsystems: fetch, load address, load address into MAR, decode the address in MAR, copy the content of memory cell with specified address into MDR, store address value, load the address into MAR, load the value into MDR, decode the address in MAR, copy the content of MDR into address. Input output subsystem handles devices that allows the computer systems to communicate and interact with the outside world: screen, keyboard, printer. Store information: mass storage, hard drives, floppies, CD, tapes. Mass storage devices. Access methods: direct access storage devices, hard drives, floppy disks. Sequential access storage device, tapes for example used as backup devices. I/O controller: speed of input output devices is slow compared to RAM, hard drive. Solution: I/O controller, input output controllers. A special purpose process has a small memory buffer and a logical to control I/O devices. Move disk arm sends an interrupt signal to CPU when done read write. Data transferred between RAM and memory buffer. Processor free to do something else while I/O controller reads writes data from the device into I/O buffer. Programming fundamentals. C++. The ALU subsystem. The ALU arithmetic logic unit. ALU arithmetic logic unit performs mathematical operations, logical operations is equal to, less than, greater than, and, or, not, and something else that are included in logical operations. In today's computer, integrated into the CPU consists of circuits to do arithmetic logic units, registers, fast storage units to store intermediate computational results, bus that connects the two. Structure of the ALU: registers, very fast local memory cells that store operands of operations and intermediate results. CCR conditions code registers, a special purpose registers that stores the results of less than, is equal to, greater than operations. ALU circuitry contains an array of circuits to do mathematical logic operation, bus data path interconnecting the registers to the ALU circuitry. The control unit program is stored in memory as machine language instructions in brain. The task of the control unit is to execute program by repeatedly fetch, decode, and execute. Now, what the function fetching perform? From memory, the next instructions to be executed: decode it, that is determine what is to be done, execute it by issuing the appropriate signal to the ALU memory and I/O subsystems. Continues until the halt instruction. Have a nice day. Question answers. History of C++ and C. The C programming language was released in 1972. C was a big hit. It made writing efficient code which worked on different machines ever easy. Ken Campos and Dennis Ritchie, creators of C programming language. History of C++ and C.